Being a good programmer, it's about creating code that does the most with the least amount of code. So in prior lessons, you learned how to make your robot turn in a square using the code shown here. We can actually make that robot do the same thing, but use a lot less code, using something called a loop. So here's our old code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take away everything but those two lines of code. The drive forward at a power of 100 until this distance, and then turn left. I'm going to go to loops. I'm going to bring in this repeat, and I'm going to take this, put it in between it, connect that there, and drivetrain off. Let's take a look at our code. I'll hit run. See the robot turns, 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 and continues to turn. It will do this as many times as I've put in the code. I want to change this to 4 times because that's how many times in our last code we had the robot turn left. I'm going to hit stop and now run. There's our first turn, our second turn, our third turn, and our fourth and final turn, and drivetrain off. Let's take a look at our program again. So this repeat, the green one here, is the loop. Everything that's inside of that, it will repeat as many times as I tell it to. So it's like the program starts, and it does this, it does it again, again, and again. It just keeps cycling through until it completes that, and then drivetrain turns off. Let's take these two, let's move them over here, and now let's take this repeat off, and let's put in a different loop, a repeat forever. I'm sure you can guess what it will do is it'll just keep going around and around and around and around forever.